Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. I'm really sorry. I know you guys didn't have a video from my channel last week. I don't know what happened. I just wasn't feeling it, and I always say if you're not in a good mood, don't even film because it's gonna show through and you don't want to look all sad and droopy or like just I was so tired last week and I just couldn't come into the front of the camera and film for you guys. Every time I started filming, like 10 minutes later I was like, no, I don't like it, so I would just like delete everything, go back, and then here I am today. I'm feeling better and I have a new video for you guys. So I just want to say I'm really sorry for last week. I didn't have a video, but I'm gonna try to have 2 videos. I don't want to say anything, but I'll try. Okay, so for today's videos, as you guys probably saw the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my blinding highlight. See, just like that. So you guys probably picked it up from my other tutorials, like the way I do step by step with my highlight. Like I take at least 5 minutes to do my highlight because it's really important to me to glow. Okay, so this is what we're going through today. So I'm just going to show you how to get this kind of highlight. You can do it with any highlight. Don't think you have to get like the most expensive highlight and everything. I'm just going to tell you like what kind of highlight you need and how to put it on so it looks good and step by step. And you guys see it's really easy. I know the video is probably going to be like 10 minutes long, or I don't even know how long, but it takes 5 minutes, I swear, because I do it every morning and it looks good, so it doesn't take too much time. So I'm gonna show you how to get this blinding highlight right here, and just stick around and watch the video. Okay, so first what you want to do is take whatever highlighter you want to use. Usually me, I use always 2 highlighters. I always use like a darker one and a lighter one, so I always start with the darker one, of course. And today we're gonna use my Master Chrome and my Amrezy highlight, this one. So I'm gonna start with the Master Chrome first, of course. So the first thing I do, I take my Master Chrome, and then I'm gonna take my Sephora number 204 brush. I'm gonna use the highlight side right here. I do this even before I set my face. I'm gonna show you the steps. I mean, you guys probably picked it up a bit when I usually do my tutorials, but I just want to do it like an in-depth tutorial for you guys. So first I'm gonna take my highlight side, and then I'm gonna take my favorite highlighter right now, the Master Chrome by Maybelline, the Molten Gold. So what you want to do, I'll take just a little bit. You don't have to pack it on, you can build it up. The best way for it not to look chunky but still blinding is to really, like the way I do it, I really build it up. So what I do, I take just a little bit with my brush. Just like that. Not even. And then I'm gonna go right here on the highest point of my cheeks and just place it right here. You see that? I mean, of course, having a great highlighter really helps, but and believe me, it's gonna be more blinding. This is for me like a natural glow. So you see when you move, it just picks up the light. And you want to do the other side. Just like that. Usually for my nose, I use my fingers. I take the Maybelline again, go on the tip of my nose right here. Not that much. You want to blend it. You can blend with your fingers. You don't need a brush for that. Then I go right here in the middle. Like this. Okay, so for me the cheek's not really done. I'm gonna build it up a bit again like this. Just like that. Do the other side. Like that. Nose again. Here. You can always do the forehead too if you want. I'll do it today for you guys. And you put it like right where your bone is at. Right on the temple. I don't put much there, but if you want extra, you can always do it. And then you can always do your brows. Usually I take my fingers. Go just like this. I don't put much because I don't know. I don't know why, I just don't put a lot. This, if you guys can see my highlight, this is like just a natural highlight. So you can do your chin. I don't put much on my chin, usually I put whatever's left because I get really oily, so I try not to put too much, and that's it. So this is our first highlight. So what you want to do next, I take my second highlight, which is my Amrezy highlight, and we're going to do the same thing. The exact same thing we just did with the same brush. This, just a little bit. I'm going to go exactly where I put the previous highlight. Just like that. Do you see that? Do you guys see that? And it's not chunky because we put in just a little bit and a little bit at a time. It really looks like skin. Right here, I'm just gonna use my brush. It's easier. Like, you don't need much when it comes to your second highlight now, because you already have a base, and now whatever you put on top is just gonna go like extra light. It's gonna be really nice. And you wanna make sure you blend really well too. Like, you don't wanna have a harsh line right here. Just like this. So I do all this before I set my face. If you want something that, if you want your highlights to be really blinding, like really wet looking, what you want to do after is take a setting spray that's really kind of dewy and really like luminous and everything if you want to. This is what I'm going to use today. But if you want your makeup to stay really well and stay put, if this for you is enough, you can always just use like a regular setting spray, like my Urban Decay. It's really like just to set the makeup so your oils don't come through. So for today, me, I want to use my Badescu because I want my highlight to be really, really blinding, and I want my skin to be almost a kind of bit dewy, I guess, really glowy. My foundation is really matte, so I'm not gonna worry about my face being really oily today, and I have also like a primer that's really mattifying. So that always, like, you always have to think about those things, because if your base is really oily and then you have that blinding highlight, it just looks like a hot mess. That's what I think. So that's what I do when I have a matte foundation on. I don't mind using a setting spray that's more dewy. So this is what I use today. I'm gonna let it set. So you want to wait until your setting spray is all the way like dry, because if you go and pick up, because we're not finished yet, we're gonna put more highlight. If you go and put like another powder on top, it's just gonna cling to whatever, like, see here it's wet, so it's just gonna cling into the wet and it's just gonna like stay right there. It's gonna be like harder to blend. So what you want to do is wait until it's really like at least 95% dry. See, now we look glowy and dewy. So what you gotta do now is take the lightest highlight you used, not the first one, the second one you used. So I'm gonna use my Amrezy again. I'm gonna take my brush again, and I'm gonna go back wherever I already highlighted. I'm just gonna add more to it, just so it kind of brings back the color, I guess. You'll see. I'm gonna mix it more blinding, just like this. And see, if it was wet, all the powder would just stick here and it would be harder to blend. You guys probably see it more on this side because the lighting is better on this side than this side, so that's why. But believe me, it's like the same on both sides. Then I'm gonna do my nose again. Whatever's left for my chin, and I'm gonna do my forehead. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You can always do the inner corner, like the brows like we did before. Just a little bit, just to add, put back the color that we did, and this is how it looks. See, it's all well blended. See how well blended it is? And if I go forward, like it just looks like skin. It's not chunky. It's not glittery. I mean, the highlighter is not glittery anyways, but it just looks like skin. This is how you want. And even my nose. Doesn't look good. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, you guys saw it's really easy. You just need to your step if you want the highlight to be really glowing and your skin to be glowing. Like I said, if you don't want it to be too glowing, you can always just use a regular setting spray, not something that's too dewy. Today I want it to be dewy because it's really nice outside and I want my highlight to pop. Like every time I turn, you guys see it. Yeah, so again, I'm really sorry for last week. I didn't have a video. I try to like film at least one video per week. If I can, I upload 2. Yeah, so if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you guys can come back and see all my fabulous videos. And if you're not new, and just welcome back. I really appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. Don't forget to comment down below. I always answer my comments and I always love to talk to you guys. Like my video because it really helps. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know what my next video is gonna be. It will have to be a surprise. Like I said, I have more videos. I have a lot of videos in my head. I just need to like film them for you. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.